I could think that first 2 days you were caught unawares, but now you are in the fifth day. At least you know the since last 2 days when the order was withdrawn or kept in abeyance, the Indigo least it was expected that Indigo should have been working on a revised schedule and giving information about the revised schedule at least the previous evening, what flights are going to operate next day and what are going to be cancelled, what are going to be rescheduled, and then at least that truncated operation could have been streamlined. You know, if you ask me the real way of managing a crisis. But you see, at the moment it still continues to be free for all, only God will help you kind of situation. The second thing is that as yet there has been no concrete step taken by Indigo to address the grievances of passengers. They are made to run from pillar to post. The second thing is that we have to also realize that some people have connecting flights, some people have, the point to point is still one issue. But when you talk of the connecting flights, which may not be of the Indigo, maybe for the other carriers, they are going to lose heavily on that, on those sectors, because you have to consequentially cancel it. So somewhere ministry should have intervened and at least called other operators and told them that look, this is the situation. Please, this is a national emergency. Please help each other. And if there are people who are losing the sectors because of the Indigo's primary failure, at least be kind that you refund their tickets or allow them to reschedule their flights. But nothing has been happening. I mean, here neither the ministry is taking any serious effort to address people's grievances, nor the Indigo management is doing any initiative in this field.